Umoja. You like the chase, huh?
No, I don't, sir.
What woman doesn't?
Please, Mr. Ponson, stop what you are doing, please.
I said, call me John. Are you a child? Hey, come on. Come here. Come here. Come to Papa.
Mr. Ponson.
Still being stubborn, I see.
If you will continue to be objectionable, I will not step into this office again.
How can you afford not to come here when you work here? What?
Zagadat. It's your boy Easy. My lady. Zagadat.
He's seen already. Chakra. Why is he there?
Bonjour. Good. Now you look up. Today, we'll begin a discourse on a key subject: rights and freedoms. Someone please read for us. Okay, John.
Fundamental human rights and freedoms. Every person in Ghana, whatever their race, place of origin, political opinion, color, creed, or gender, shall be entitled to the following fundamental human rights and freedoms, but subject to the respect of the rights and freedoms of others and for the public interests.
Very good.
Who
knows where that comes from?
Article 12, Clause 2 of the Ghana Constitution.
Very good. Now, let us do a little exercise. How many of you here call yourselves Christians? Good. Muslims? Others? So in Ghana, you are free to join any religion. It is your right of choice. Article 12, Clause 1 of the 1992 Constitution states, all persons shall have the right of freedom to practice any religion and to manifest such practice.
Mama, don't cry. Why must I be punished for doing what is right? We will sue him for sexual harassment. What? Who's gonna listen to us, Adam? Besides, we can't afford that kind of lawyer. Oh, God. What are we gonna do, Adam? Sir.
Are you here with us?
I was here. She didn't sleep in the hostel yesterday.
I'm sorry, sir.
Well, apology accepted. Since you are now here, I will repeat the question. Which radio station have you listened to this morning?
Joy FM and Peace FM.
Smart choices. And have you read any newspapers?
No, but I normally read the Daily Graphic and the Guide.
Exactement. That is freedom of speech. We all have choices on television, on the internet, and you name them. The Constitution also says that any person shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression, which shall include freedom of the press and the media.
Makes the course easy.
Freedom, freedom! Mauli, do you have anything you want to share with us?
Sir, I couldn't hold it to say freedom.
Well, any freedom you know about?
Freedom of association.
Good. Who else? Yes?
Freedom of thought, conscience and belief, including academic freedom, Article 21 1B.
That's good. Solid! I am in the midst of learned young men and women.
Mom. Good morning. Hey, it's 10 a.m. You have to eat something.
Really? Why should I wake up anyway? I don't have anywhere to be.
You can go anywhere you want. Plus, I've given your CV a makeover.
Another interview to be ogled by lecturers, women. I'll pass. Mom. Leave me alone.
The key message here is there are rights and there are responsibilities. The two go hand in hand. The freedom of speech, for instance, doesn't mean that you can slander or be verbally abusive or lie and go scot-free. Again, freedom of movement doesn't give you the authority to go to anybody's house uninvited or unannounced. You may be charged for trespassing or worse. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, your assignment. I want each of you to give 10 justified reasons why we need human rights. And you must at least cite one authority for each reason.
Sir, please, on Google.
Well, Google and other sources. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello, sir.
See.
I would like to apologize for what happened earlier. I'm really sorry about that.
That's okay. The thing is that I am fine. I hope you're fine too.
Not really. It's a personal matter.
What does she want? If it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it is a duck. You're asking me what she's saying. No be she did.
And do you want us to talk?
Favoritism and nepotism everywhere.
You tear me apart, be better than any but my new baby come in my heart. Devoted like I am a religion. A religion. When I hit the road. Other babies want to come and stay.
My daughter, you are good to me. I'm happy you are looking up, Ma. We will go through this together, all the way. This is good. A fighter and a good cook. Two very good attributes. You will surely survive. I learned from a good teacher.
I knew I'll find you guys here. Steady. What are you doing? Hey, Sigmund Freud. Psycho mental things, eh?
What do you have on that plate?
Rice. Boiled rice.
Go ahead. Go help yourself. We just made some stew. You sell the thing?
Something like that.
Yeah. Go and help yourself.
Thanks. Hey, Chan, spare the meat too. Oh, that's one. That's one.
We are watching.
Oh, you are watching like that. Eh?
Hey, Chan. The meat too.
It's nice, oh.
I cooked it.
You cook?
You. She doesn't believe it. I cooked my food yesterday. I cooked it.
I told you guys, Adam and Dr. Akyaa are doing it.
What?
I saw them with my own eyes. Philly. She was coming out of Dr. Aksha's office after an afternoon tryst.
Hey, Chan.
It's true. Otherwise, why would she be hurriedly dressing up while she was coming out of his office?
But that doesn't mean anything. Mr. Sean is a good man. Besides, I believe he's one of the finer ones.
See, they are the same. Oh. They cannot resist. Wait, what do you even say? Weak men, no, or rather, cheap men.
There we go again. Madam Chan. The crusading snoop. Oh, no, is it? The investigative journalist.
Investigative journalist. But see, the fact still remains.
What fact?
They are doing it.
Yeah, come in.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I want to see my mom. She is not too well.
Oh, sorry. I hope she gets well soon.
Oh, she'll be fine. That woman is one tough cookie.
And straight as well.
Akyaa,
Huh?
were you saying something?
No. Yes. The apple does not always fall close to the tree.
Sorry?
Huh? I mean, the apple does not always fall far from the tree. Nature.
You're funny.
Don't mind a child. When she sees food like this, she will do and say anything. Don't mind. You will love it.
Akyaa.
Discussion things, eh? I'll be back in a bit, okay?
Okay.
She. No, let's just...
We have to be firm on this.
I agree. We will not condone any malfeasance.
Morning, gentlemen.
I will not remain silent on this. It is blatant.
Blatant. Unfair. What are you trying to say? You are pushing, sister. The dictation gave her the questions beforehand.
How else would she have known the answer to the questions we're going to answer today? How else?
She's right though.
Yo, the questions were ditto.
Yo. Eh? Gosh. Where do we start from, eh? Because I hear Dr. Sean's tests are so difficult.
Adam would know.
How so?
We all know you now.
What do you know?
You're the shabby.
You're right. I've been researching and I suspect one of these questions. Look at number
3. Akyaa may have a point here, you know. Because this is very uncanny. The exams, everything she showed us appeared word for word.
Doctor, I can't begin to thank you for what you've done.
Come on, you don't need to mention it. Look, we are not there yet. There is more to come.
When I talk
again.
Why? Blistering barnacles. See.
Now, so picture. Evidence. What evidence? What are you using it for?
When I talk, nobody listens to me. Now you have seen with your own eyes. Philly.
Hey, yet them. How can let them do that?
But still, this could mean something else.
What else? You are seeing them entering the thing you are telling me. What else?
I believe you. Thank you.
This is indefensible.
Oh, now you're speaking big English.
This is preposterous. He has broken all the codes of ethics.
This would be very bad for us if it were to go out.
So what should we do?
Terminate.
Terminate?
Yes.
Let's try to be a little bit humane here.
Look here. This time, we have to raise the bar. We have to set the record straight. Terminate.
If you say so.
It's honey. Oh yeah, it's honey. It's honey, guys. Guys, why? What's up? Who died?
You did.
What? What's she talking about?
You think we don't know what you have been doing?
Echa!
What have I been doing? Oh, sorry, 1 minute, Dr. Ashon.
Wow, look. No shame. No shame. And you, why don't you allow me to correct that girl? Allow me to put her in her place.
It's because you have no real evidence.
Oh my gosh, did you say they're ready to reinstate my mom with compensation? Oh my goodness. Wow, Dr. Ashon, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, okay. Guys, I'm sorry, that was Dr. Ashon. He is such an angel and a gentleman, I'm telling you.
Eh? How?
He took my mother's case pro bono. We just won a settlement. Yeah, I've been working the case with him these past several weeks.
Who you are?
Akyaa, were you saying something?
Well, I was thinking how you were able to predict the questions so accurately, you know.
Pasco, I studied Dr. Ashon's IAs over the past 8 years and I realized you always recycle those same 8 questions, that's all.
I told you.
Why? Wait. Oh, so you guys thought that Dr. Ashon and I didn't realize you thought so lowly of me. Plus, it's an insult to Dr. Ashon.
Madam, we are sorry, eh? We should have just asked you about it.
Whatever.
Echa, you should apologize to her.
Apologize.
Apologize. You are wrong.
Okay. Fine. Adam, I'm sorry.
Apologies accepted. But if you want to be a lawyer, you will learn not to jump to hasty conclusions.
Touche.
House of Umoja.